Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you easy strategy that you can use to find good memecoin on Dexscreener. This strategy is really pretty much easy, and even if you are a beginner you can simply use through this strategy to find good memecoin that's going to print you money. Please do to like this video, do to subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell icon to always get notified that I drop off some videos like this. So to get started, this is the screener. All I'll be doing is scanning through, and the steps are pretty much the same. Trying to look for good meme coin. So the first thing is for you to select which coin you want to be trading, the network you get. So if you want to trade the Solana, Base, BSC, anyone. So I'm going to trade Solana. I like Solana meme coin, so I'm going to click Solana. I'm going to click on save. After that, I'm going to leave these others. I'm going to tap on apply. So I'm getting a solar meme coin I've been training in the past 6 hours, as you can see right here. So one thing that I've noticed is that the most important thing when trading meme coin is volume. Get, so you need to look for those particular meme coin that has volume. Get, so those are the ones that you be looking at. Get, so this particular one, right, utility coin. The last 1 hour, the volume is about 21%, and the last 24 hours, the volume is about 1,200%. So we're looking at the last 5 minutes and 1 hour, those that still has volume, and this particular one still has get. I think, and the age is about 19 hours ago, and market cap is about 1 million market cap. So it depends on what you are looking for, you get, depending on what you are looking for. Basically, I like trading coins that have low market cap. This particular coin that is with 1 million market cap, if it gain more attraction and gets to 10 million market cap, that's like 10x for me, guys. So that's why I like trading coins with lower market cap. So I'm going to open up this particular one in a new tab. I'm going to check it back. I'm going to check the coin gate. Find a coin. There's no need you buy that particular coin. You have to check if that particular coin is legit. You understand? So I'm going to see if I can find other coins that still has volume and they are still kind of doing really well. Good. So for those people who are good with Twitter, you can go to Twitter and try and see what is trending on Twitter. You get, but basically, I'll just go through. Well, I'll just go through this now. Look for good ones that I think we do well. So move back, open up this in a new tab. Then let's see if I can get on another one. This particular one, okay, Go might be a good one. And let's see, let's just open up about value now. 9% in the last 1 hour, which, okay, this as each new market cap, this particular one, I look for the one that's less, okay, this particular one is good. I just look for the ones that have less than 1 million market cap, get. So for the first one, utility, and as I can see right here, the chart is not looking like what they are pumping yet. As you can see, the chart is looking like what is being pumped. You can see there's down movement, upward, down movement, upward, which means the chart is looking legit, as you can see. So this is 1 second time frame we get. So basically, I like to know or see the highest point that the coin has gone to, which is about 1.2 market cap, and this coin retracement about now the okay market cap. If I want to buy this particular coin, I potentially wait for it to drop to get. So if this coin could dip to about, let's say, 800k market cap or 700k market cap, I might enter into the coin, I might buy at this particular place you get. So because it is still a new coin, you get still a new coin, and I don't want to buy at the top. And from what I'm saying, this red is the top you get. If people lose interest in the coin and the coin dies down, I'm going to lose my money. So I buy at a much lower price. This is like a support zone around 700k to 700k is like support zone, which I'll be looking to buy at. You understand? So also before I buy, I have to check if the liquidity is actually locked. Again, liquidity must be locked, and I confirm this. It's a bot called TTF bot. I'll leave the link to that both description box. And also, I decided to check their Twitter and all those things, but I don't want to check this. I don't want it to be long. So the other important thing that I do is simply come to this place put in, let's say, 1k dollars, and see the people that are putting 1k dollars into this particular coin. And the people who are putting 1k dollars into this particular coin, which means that the people are buying this coin, like I mean, who is buying this particular token you get. So if the people buying this particular token, means that this particular coin has features you get. So in the last 5 minutes, about 40k, 15k has entered into this particular coin you get. So just like I said, what I'll be doing is simply wait for entry. Don't let the fear of missing out make you enter too early get. I'll simply wait. I want to do the particular place, I buy and I take my profit to get very, very easy. If I do this, I get to make at least 2x on this particular token. So the next one is this particular one. Liquidity is a bit low, and last 5 minutes we have just 1.7k dollars that's entered this particular token in the last one in the last 5 minutes you get. So what you can do is first thing first, check if the liquidity is locked, and also check if the coin is trending on Twitter. You get, very important, because right now it seems that I kind of dumping the coin. And let me see the highest point that the coin has gone to tell me if the coin whether I can know if the coin has, okay, the highest point has gone to is about 180k market cap, and like this actually the low. 20k market cap is the low. Coin went to 180k market cap, man. It is down to 22k market cap, and this, okay, so on this particular token, what you should do is simply wait and come to this place. Let's say $100 and see who are putting money in this particular coin. Very important. Just two people is more of profit taking that are doing this particular token. You get. So these are really the down you get. If you want to buy this coin, it should be at your own conviction that you believe that okay, you have checked that Twitter and people are bullish on the token where you can buy, because at this place what I'm saying right here is that the coin might be going that they might be dumping this particular token just like what I'm saying right here get. So you don't know. Get, but okay, the coin has gone to 15k market cap before. It has gone to 50k market cap and it's now at about 28k market cap. This is still the low for me. This is kind of a low too, but if you want to buy it should be at your conviction, you understand? And this particular one, okay, well, is this actually a very good one? Last 5 minutes, about 1.7k volume, but I can see people buying into this particular token. It's also a very good one that you can potentially get into. So, guys, you can see looking for good meme coin is pretty much easy to get. So, after finding the good coin, the next important thing is looking for ways to enter. This is where a lot of meme coin traders to get it from. You get, like I said, don't buy at the top. You get, always check to see the peak, to see if the coin has gone to the peak. And as this other coin has gone to the peak about 4 market cap, you get. So 700k market cap is like the deep, right? So we don't know if the coin is going to do well. If the coin is going to do well, it depends on the volume that enters. Yet, so this particular one, you should not be looking to buy and hold for a long time. Yet, should not be hoping to hold for a long time. What you do is simply buy and we make some profit, you sell it off and get. The coins that you be looking at, the coins that you should be hoping to look hold for a long time are those particular ones that are utility tokens, you understand. But this is actually a very good one that you can potentially look into. And guys, lastly, I would like to say that I don't recommend you buy any of the coins that are being said or being shown to in this video. Don't buy the coins because by the time you get to see these videos, this particular coin might have gone down to zero. You understand? All I want you to do is simply learn. Learn and see how I look for coins and can use that same method to look for coins for yourself. So guys, if you have learned a thing from this video, please do it to like, subscribe and turn the bell icon. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.